I'm gonna say, and it's either lamb or camel. Oh, my dog buck. Hello, my name's Alistair. I'm from the UK, currently living in Saudi Arabia, and I've been living here since August of last year. And I'm really enjoying it. Beautiful country. People are very, very hospitable, and really do like Saudi culture, and particularly like Saudi food. So I've given this opportunity to come here this evening, and an opportunity which I couldn't refuse.
What do you think is it?
Very good question. I think there's dates in here, and don't know what's in the middle. And it looks, is that oil around the outside? Oh, that's not bad. That isn't bad.
Sound like you like it. Yeah.
It's nice, that.
What do you think it's on?
It looks like some form of yogurt. Is it yogurt?
There's milk in there.
Yeah, it's milk, like yogurt. Yeah, it is very nice. It's got a sort of sweet texture to it.
Do you have it every day?
Do you know what it is? I probably would. That's not bad. Oh,
What's the first dish that you tried in Saudi Arabia first?
Kabza.
Have you ever tried to make kabza?
No. The funny thing is, it looks an easy dish to make, but actually, it does take a long time to make, especially with all the spices that's that's required. I think there's meat. Yes, definitely meat there.
What, are you kidding me?
What kind of meat?
Interesting. I'm gonna say, and it's either lamb or camel.
Where is the meat?
Is there meat there? I'm assuming that's meat. Is that meat? Really should know this. No, it's not. It's not meat at all. The dish tricked me, right? This reminds me of dumplings, and this here is a bit like it's a bit like dumpling, but the litmus test is going to be with this date. The date's very good.
Have you ever heard about 15S meals?
Yes, I think I've watched a few of them on YouTube. Yeah. Now that there, and I'm going to sound ridiculously British here, but that there would be excellent with a cup of tea. It really would be. You know, like Earl Grey tea with this, it'd be absolute marriage in heaven. You know, because you've got the crunchiness of the biscuit. If it was dipped in the tea, ever so slightly removed from the tea, and then eaten, yeah, that'll be perfect. I was going to say coconut on the top, but it isn't.
That's true.
Is it coconut on the top? I said, oh, it's got coconut, and in reality it's chocolate.
You tried it before?
No, I haven't actually, and it's something I will do again, definitely, very good.
Nice.
Before you came to Saudi Arabia, what was your thoughts about living in Saudi Arabia?
Well, you know, I've got to say, I mean, with most people from the UK, I know I'm stereotyping here, so I do apologise to everybody here. You do think of like desert and oil. Those are the first things that come to your mind. But actually, having been here, there's just so much more to do. You know, I visited Taif, Al Jof, Hail, Juba. You know, it's a beautiful country, and there's a lot to do here for the tourists. And I'm not just saying that because I'm stuck in front of this camera. I would say that to anybody. Right, now this here looks like a fig roll. You get fig rolls in the UK. This would be perfect with tea. Again, now it's very British thing to say. I've said two things would be good with tea, but in reality, everything's good with tea. Is it a date in the middle, is it?
Sure.
What's this called?
Ma'moul.
Namul.
Ma'moul.
Oh, Ma'moul.
Sure.
Ma'moul. But yeah, this is very good. I don't know if I've had this before. I may have had these before. I'm not 100% certain. But it's very good. Well, it looks like a stuffed pancake. Yes, looks like it. I'm probably wrong. Oh, it's a bit hot. Would it surprise you to learn? I think this is actually tastes very good. I don't say like everything I've had, I've said tastes good, but truthfully, I'm not just saying it is very, very good. This that'll say either spring onion or leek, egg in there as well. What's this called? Duck buck. Oh, McDuck buck.
You're goddamn right.
I've got like a light pastry on top, but it is delicious though. It is very good. Again, pastry on the outside. It's similar texture on the outside, but inside is different. And the sweet banana. Now, would it surprise you to learn? This is actually tastes very good, and would also surprise you to learn that this would be very good with a good cup of tea. I'd imagine making this at home might be challenging. I'll tell you why. Because it's the pastry. The pastry I think will be difficult to make. I could be wrong, but I think it'll be difficult to make. Would I have this every day? Yes, but I do have type 2 diabetes, so I don't think the doctor would be very happy if I did have it every day. But yeah, it is. But it is good. Thank you very much for inviting me here today. I've really enjoyed my time here and really enjoyed the Saudi food. Yeah, the Saudi food's brilliant. So, you know, do come to Saudi Arabia when, you know, if you do get the opportunity, and sample the food, sample the hospitality, and more importantly, subscribe to this YouTube.